Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Jakad, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about degradation of forest and natural forest. The renewal of what is degradation of forest? The renewal of a forest of, by some means, natural or artificial, is known as regeneration. The regeneration has been defined in a number of ways by several works. The renewal of a forest crop by natural or artificial means also the new crop so obtained. Regeneration as the renewal by self-sown seed or by vegetative seed. Self-sown seed is natural regeneration and a vegetative is artificial regeneration. Method of regeneration. There are following method of regeneration of forest: natural regeneration, artificial regeneration, and natural regeneration supplement by planting. However, first two methods are most important in regeneration of forest. Natural regeneration, the renewal of फॉरेस्ट ग्रो बाय सेल्फ सोन, जो बिना उगाए उग जाती है उनको नेचुरल regeneration कहते हैं. सोन सीड और बाय कॉपी रूट root suckers also the crop so obtained, or also it can be defined as reforestation of a stand by natural seedling. Artificial regeneration, it is defined as the renewal of a forest crop by sowing, planting, or other artificial methods. Also, the crop so obtained or the renewal of a tree crop by direct seedling or planting. Site preparation of regeneration of forest, the site preparation of using to create an environment suitable for establishing the desired tree species, to get rid of lodging, slab, or other debris, reducing competition and animal habits, to prepare a mineral soil seedbed, to improve drainage of surface and upper soil erosion and reduce the compaction, to create a more favorable microsite on head side, to take measure to control diseases. Site preparation. Site preparation is four methods: mechanical, percussive burning, chemical, and composition of three. Composition of Then first is mechanical method of site preparation of irrigation. These are several methods employed for carrying out the site preparation mechanically by hand. Following are some of the common mechanical methods. Lodging. This is the most common practices method of site preparation. In this method, lodging equipment is used for removal of the vegetation and slash. Scalping. This is nothing but the side preparation by hand clearing. Mechanical cleaning in the method self propelled or the tractor down equipment are used. Perseverance burning fire is the nature principle method of preparing sites for a new stand. Then chemical method. The herbicides may be used in the new burn and the cutting non or purely stocks part of the plantation or in existing bursy fields. Factor affecting the choice of forest regeneration method. It is very important to make a choice of method of site preparation. In this case, there are a number of factors influencing the choice of site preparation method. Following are several methods: the nature of existing ground cover, physical site factors, site preparation requirement, available labor and equipment, external consistent environmental impact, cost included in the operation. Then next is to type in natural regeneration of forest. Natural regeneration क्या होता है? जो खुद ही उग जाता है. Then regeneration from seed of vegetative parts may observe natural regeneration, deforestation of a stand by natural seedling. Then first is natural regeneration from seed, जो सीड के द्वारा बिना सोइंग के ही उग जाता है. Successful natural regeneration from seed depend upon seed production, seed seminate, seed germination, establishment, and seedling. Then seed production. Seeds are the cultural ovules which contain the embryo. An embryo is a miniature plant consisting of the seed leaves attached uh, attached to rudimentary stem with a growing tip and root tip at the other end. Seed production depends upon various factors such as species, age of tree, site, weather conditions, season of maturity, alternate bearing, attack of pest and disease, and birds. Then seed dissemination. For the continually existing of a species is a necessary that seeds are carried away from the parent plant because seeds germinating immediately below the parent very commonly do not get established. Seed this only gives young seedling a better chance of survival for they are saved to a large extent from competition and with the parent plant. The means of dispersal adopted by the seed of different species vary widely. The four important agencies by the which seed dispersal is secure are क्या क्या किस किस के द्वारा सीड डिस्पर्सल होता है मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता है मेनली विंड हवा के द्वारा पानी के द्वारा एनिमल्स एंड एक्सक्लूसिव मैकेनिकल और इंजेक्शन मैकेनिकल इन द फ्रूट्स itself. Then seed germination. Germination of seed depends upon several internal and external factors, such as permeability of seed coat, availability of moisture. जितना moisture जमीन में होगा seed germination ज़्यादा करेगा. ऑक्सीजन सोil में ऑक्सीजन कितनी है उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. seed germination नेचर ऑफ एम्ब्रियो का क्या नेचर है, टेम्परेचर क्या है, मॉइस्चर क्या है, ऑक्सीजन एंड लाइट. बिसाइड द सम फैक्टर इनके अलावा और भी फैक्टर है जैसे एज ऑफ पेड़ की कितनी एज है, फ्लोरिंग फेज, साउंड और हेल्थ ऑफ सीड कंडीशन, कॉपीज ओरिजिन ट्री, साइज ऑफ सीड, प्लांट परसेंट, टाइप ऑफ डिसेमिनेट, सोइल टाइप, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, पेस्ट एंड डिजीज एंड नॉन इंसेक्ट पेस्ट. देन सीडलिंग एस्टेब्लिशमेंट. Successful establishment of newly germinated seedling is sufficient number as a member of forest crop, undoubtedly the weakest link in the whole chain of process A to B, which make up the regression of forest growth. The factor responsible for the seedling establishment are क्या क्या फैक्टर है जो सीडलिंग एस्टेब्लिशमेंट होती है. एक तो होता है क्लाइमेट फैक्टर, एक होता है एडापिक फैक्टर. क्लाइमेट फैक्टर में लाइट, मॉइस्चर, रेनफॉल, टेम्परेचर, फॉरेस्ट. एडापिक फैक्टर में सोइल, न्यूट्रिएंट, एरेशन, टेक्सचर, स्ट्रक्चर. देन नेचुरल रिग्रेशन बाय कॉपीज एंड रूट सकर्स. कॉपीज कॉपीज क्या होता है, स्टूल शूट्स जनरली अराइज फ्रॉम द adventitious buds formed between the wood and bark of the stump and are comparatively short-lived than those produced by dormant buds. These shoots are called coppice shoots. Classification of coppice regression. Regression coppice regression किस किस द्वारा होता है? Seedling coppice, stool coppice, root collar shoots, pollard shoots. Then natural regression by root suckers. Shoots arise from the roots may occur naturally or artificially. Then this cover is natural regression and natural regression. Then next topic is discussed about artificial regeneration. Thank you.